Okay, we are currently on the Soberanes fire with incident meteorologist Ryan Walbrin. He's here to demonstrate a weather balloon launch. Ryan, can you tell us a little bit about the balloon and why we launch balloons on wildfires?
Okay, right. Good morning, everybody. We're about to launch this baby off. We're monitoring the marine layer here at the Soberanes fire down in Monterey County, California. Really trying to monitor the depth of that marine layer and the winds aloft. So with the help of the fire behavior analysts here from CAL FIRE, we're going to launch the balloon in just a second here.
Okay, we'll count down to 3 and then we'll let the balloon go. Hey Tim, you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow.
So now what we'll do is, now that the balloon starts to ascend, we'll go to our computer and it will eventually come up saying that a balloon launch has been detected.
995.
Balloon launch has been detected.
There we go, success. So now we'll let the balloon launch. We'll check back in a little bit and see how high it got. Okay, it looks like it's been a little while since we launched the balloon here. If you look here on the pressure, it's now 923. The temperature's gone up, so we're definitely in the inversion. And notice the humidity is down to 14%. We're definitely hitting that dry layer above the cloud deck that we're sitting at. And the current altitude is only 2,800 feet roughly. So that's why we launch a balloon on fires. We're able to determine where that dry pocket is, and that can really be beneficial to the firefighters. Okay, we're gonna check back in here. It's been a few more minutes for the balloon launch. As I zoom in here, you'll notice that we're over 7,000 feet and still roughly about 11 to 12%. The temperature's still kind of mild. So that's right around a lot of the ridge tops around here. Between 5,000 and 6,000 is some of the highest peaks nearby, and that's what the weather stations were showing. But now we're slightly above that, almost at 75. So now we're able to see what's happening above the ridge tops. Okay, so the balloon is still ascending. It's been a few more minutes. Now it's roughly almost 13,000 feet there. As we take a look at the real-time plot, the blue line is showing us the humidity. Showed that we had a very moist start, but then you can see how it went through the cloud deck and really dried out. The other two lines that we kind of focus on is the red line is the temperature, and the blue line there, the light blue cyan colored, is our dew point. And then the green line is showing us our total ascent for altitude. So now it's over 12,000 feet. But when it's all said and done, we'll end up with a very nice, what meteorologists call a skew-T diagram, and we're able to analyze the atmosphere. Okay, we're gonna do another check-in here. It looks like we're sitting around 27,000 feet. You can still see the plot going up. This will be our final check-in until the balloon bursts. Should be around about 60 or 70,000 feet, so we have quite a ways yet to go, but so far the balloon launch looks looking like it's a success.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. Our balloon finally burst. It reached to an altitude of about 70,000 feet, and just so you know, most jet airliners are flying anywhere from 35 to about 40,000 feet, so we got really high with our balloon. That's the profile, kind of showing you what the balloon looked like as it ascended through the atmosphere. But we'll go back to Ryan Walbrin for some final comments.
Okay, we're going. So all week we've been really concerned with the humidity above the marine layer depth, the winds aloft, and how that's impacted the smoke here on the Monterey Peninsula and across the Soberanes fire. So with the sounding profile we got from the balloon, we're able to analyze that better and get some ground truth. So far we're happy with the preliminary results.